And we begin here at 6 tonight with that decision from a federal judge delaying the mayor's trial indefinitely. Judge Dale Ho also called for an outside attorney to argue the motion to dismiss this case. Political reporter Marcia Kramer sat down one-on-one with Mayor Adams to talk about what comes next.
Mayor Adams walked down a long hall at Gracie Mansion to talk to CBS News New York about what has been a tumultuous week for him. A court appearance to ask a judge to drop the criminal case against him, and a dramatic decision by Governor Hochul to take steps to curtail his powers. The governor questioning whether his relationship with President Trump is compromising his ability to govern. He was, to say the least, unapologetic. So you're making no apologies for your relationship with President Trump?
No, just the opposite. I would be irresponsible as the mayor of this city if I did not engage with the White House and engage with the president. I made the right decision to collaborate. I'm not warring, I'm working with this administration.
So when Hakeem Jeffries says that Trump has you on a leash, what's your response?
Anyone that knows me knows that there is no leash that can fit around my neck.
There was also Governor Hochul's dramatic decision to keep him in office but restrict his powers, put up guardrails.
There was no legal reason to do so. These are not my powers. These are the powers of the people who vote for their mayors.
So do you think this shows that she lost faith in you?
No, not at all. I don't think she lost faith. I just think there's so much noise out there that it's difficult to determine what's facts from fiction, and that's why I have not been adding my voice to all that noise.
The mayor said he was not concerned about the decision of Judge Dale Ho to continue hearing testimony about whether he should grant the Justice Department's motion to drop his criminal case. He said it was just part of the process. What he is focused on is hiring people to replace the 4 deputy mayors who resigned because of his relationship with President Trump.
We found replacements, and we're going to be rolling them out. Our bench is deep in city government and in the city.
Marcia, you know, the mayor's team originally said that he wouldn't be speaking until after the judge made a decision on this case. Why now is he speaking today?
Well, you know, Christina, I think that there's been so much noise over the past week with the governor taking her action and the judge deciding to prolong the court hearing that I think he decided that it was time to just talk to New Yorkers. And when he came in, he said to me, you know, I'm going to try to do this with grace under fire. And that was his plan.
He mentioned there at the end of your report about who will be replacing the deputy mayors that resigned. Did he tell you anything more about them?
Christine, you know me.
Yeah, of course I do. That's why I'm asking.
You know, I tried to wheedle it out of him with my best efforts, but he refused to do it. I did ask him, however, there are reports that Randy Mastro is under consideration to be a deputy mayor. Remember that the mayor wanted him originally to be the corporation counsel, but the city council said no. Yeah. And he just smiled at me when I said Randy Mastro, and he said, we're going to have a personal announcement, hopefully really soon.
Okay. Thanks for trying, Marcia.
I did.
We appreciate it. Great work this week. The outside attorney, by the way, appointed by the judge is Paul Clement. He's a political conservative. Here are some other things that you should know about him. He served as Solicitor General under George W. Bush, and he has argued more than 100 cases before the Supreme Court. We did bring you this decision from the federal judge live on the air and streaming on CBS News New York. You can find all of Marcia's reporting on the mayor on CBSNewYork.com.